7. Nervous system. A. The nervous system regulates your body with impulses that are electrical and chemical. 1. The chemical portion of a nerve impulse is a protein called a neurotransmitter. 2. Neurotransmitters released by one nerve cell are received by receptor molecules in the cell membrane of the next nerve cell. 3. The shape of the receptor molecule determines which neurotransmitter it can receive. B. A nerve cell is called a neuron. 2 neurons carry an impulse to a muscle cell. 5. Neurotransmitters carry the impulse from one cell to the next cell at number 3. C. The main organs of the nervous system are the brain and spinal cord and are made of interneurons. D. The spinal cord controls reflexes and relays impulses between the brain and body. E. Sensory neurons carry impulses to the brain and spinal cord, while motor neurons carry impulses to the muscles or glands. 8. Excretory system. A. Removes waste produced by the cells of your body. 1. These wastes include urea, water, salt, carbon dioxide, and heat. B. Lungs excrete carbon dioxide and water vapor. C. The skin excretes water and salt as sweat. D. The kidneys filter wastes out of the blood and then excrete water and urea and other substances as urine. 1. Kidneys also control the amount of water in your body. E. The liver makes urea, filters toxins and dead red blood cells from the blood. The urinary system. Kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. F. Common mistakes. False. The body excretes feces. True. Feces never enter cells of the body, so technically it is not excreted. The correct term is eliminated. False. The kidneys make urea. True. The liver changes ammonia to urea. Urea is then transported by the blood to the kidneys. The kidneys filter wastes from the blood to make urine. Endocrine system. A. Uses hormones to regulate the body. 1. A hormone is a chemical message, usually a protein, secreted by endocrine glands. 2. Hormones are carried from the glands to the target tissue by the blood. 3. Hormones are slower than nerve impulses, but with longer lasting effects. 4. Hormone levels are controlled by feedback mechanisms. A feedback mechanism. Pancreas secretes less insulin, higher blood sugar. Pancreas secretes more insulin, lower blood sugar. 5. Receptor molecules on the surface of the cell membrane receive hormones. As with all proteins, it is the shape of the receptor molecule that determines which hormone it can receive. Receptor molecules in the cell membrane can only accept molecules of the correct shape. This is a good example of the lock and key model. G. The pancreas makes insulin from glucagon, which control the level of sugar in the blood. H. Adrenal glands make adrenaline when the body is under stress. I. Testosterone, male, estrogen and progesterone, female, are the sex hormones. These are made in the gonads, testes for male, ovaries for females. J. Common mistakes. False. Insulin provides sugar. True. Insulin and glucagon directly control blood sugar or glucose levels. Insulin lowers blood sugar levels by causing sugar to be taken in by the body cells. Some endocrine glands. Pituitary, A. Pancreas, C. Ovaries, D. Interactions between body systems. A. The different systems of the body work together to maintain homeostasis. Some examples. 1. Nutrients from the digestive system are transported to cells by the circulatory system. 2. Wastes from the muscular system are removed by the excretory system. 3. The nervous and endocrine systems work together to control the body. 4. The immune system protects all body systems from disease. Unit 4, Reproduction. 1. Asexual reproduction. A. Advantages. One parent quickly provides large numbers of offspring. B. Disadvantage. No variations. 2. Sexual reproduction. A. Advantage. Two parents provide variations. B. Disadvantage. Need to find mate. Happens more slowly. 3. Mitotic cell division, mitosis. A. Used in all forms of asexual reproduction. B. The number and types of chromosomes in the daughter cells are the same as in the parent cell. C. Multicellular organisms use mitosis for growth and repair of damaged tissue. D. Unicellular and some simple organisms use it to reproduce. E. One division of a cell makes two identical diploid 2N cells. 1. Diploid. Cell with sets of chromosomes in pairs. 4. Meiotic cell division, meiosis. A. Makes gametes used in sexual reproduction. 1. Gametes are the sex cells, sperm and egg in animals, pollen and ovules in plants. B. One cell divides twice, producing 4 different haploid N cells. 1. Haploid. Cell with half the normal number chromosomes and no pairs. C. Separates pairs of chromosomes so that offspring get 1 chromosome from each pair from that parent. D. Each daughter cell, gamete, gets only 1/2 of the chromosomes of the parent cell. Mitosis versus meiosis. Notice the number of chromosomes stays the same in mitosis and is halved in meiosis. 5. Male reproductive system. A. Testes produce and store sperm. 1. Sperm are haploid cells made by meiosis. 2. Sperm are produced in large numbers throughout a male's life. 3. Sperm are smaller than the egg and are mobile. Swim using flagella. 4. Sperm provide human offspring with 23 chromosomes. Everything else is in the egg. B. Testosterone is the male sex hormone and is made in the testes. C. Penis transfers sperm into the female reproductive system. D. Semen is the fluid that carries sperm. 1. Semen contains sugar to give sperm energy. Male reproductive system. Testes, A. Vas deferens, B. Penis, urethra, D. 6. Female reproductive system. A. Ovaries produce eggs. 1. Eggs are haploid cells made by ovaries. 2. Females are born with all eggs they will ever have. An egg is not fully developed until ovulation. Females are born with millions of eggs, enough for several lifetimes. 3. Eggs are the largest cells in the body. 4. Eggs do not move on their own. 5. Contain 23 chromosomes and all cell parts, mitochondria, ribosomes, cytoplasm, that the offspring will need to grow and develop. B. The menstrual cycle lasts 28 days on average. 1. Ovulation, release of an egg, typically 1 per cycle. 2. Menstruation, shedding of the uterine wall if fertilization doesn't occur. 3. If pregnancy occurs, the menstrual cycle will temporarily stop. C. The oviduct, fallopian tube, carries the egg to the uterus. D. The uterus is the womb where the baby develops. E. The vagina is the birth canal where the baby leaves the body. So here, the uterus, X. Female reproductive system. Ovary, 1. Oviduct or fallopian tube, 2. Uterus, 3. Vagina, 4.